Boom, 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 boom.
I am Karima. And I'm Rafa. Today we are going to read the Somali map, regions and districts. This is our first time reading it, and the only city we know of is Mogadishu. Let's see if you can read them right. Don't laugh at us. In the north we have Badas, the Red Sea, and in the northwest we have Djibouti and Hargeisa, Bara, Aragabo, Bosaso, Garowe, Galkayo, Dulce Beledweyne, Hodor, Johar, Darbahere, Beydabo, Marco, Ismail, and Rhodesia. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. So glad that we found this map because we never heard of any of these cities in Somalia. Comment below a name of a city that's new to you. We hope that we can visit one day. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our videos. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye!